Alright guys, so yesterday as you guys saw we started it, and before I started you guys saw me crank it a few times, and before I actually do that I put a wrench there and I spun the crank with my breaker bar just to make sure the oil going through it first, and then I cranked it with no fuel pump relay in. The car ran for like 10 minutes. Kinda wanna check the oil. Oh, it's fucked. I don't know if that's normal.
Okay,
it's normal.
we are
black.
cooked. Yep, we are absolutely cooked, chat. GG.
So metallic. I don't know, I should run it by my friends, see how normal that is. Drain the oil. Manny passed by. Drain the oil. See what's happening. I have no idea. I have to call my friends and see. Second start. Ran for like 7 minutes. I mean, it's not as gray, but it definitely still flaky. I mean, you can see it right there. I'm not sure. I mean, it's getting better. All I can do is run the car for longer, drain the oil one more time, and see what happens. So now it starts, but we're putting the headers on because without the headers, it's actually pretty dangerous. Clean this up. It was really filthy. It's reverse threaded, meaning lefty is tighty, righty is loosey. I went with the CSF OEM style radiator just because it was cheaper than OEM, I think. These are only wires that are powering our nose panel. I want to run through it real quick. Lights, high beam, low beam. Here, high beam, low beam, blinker, ground. Boom. So that's the temp sensor. This was a mess. It was all crumbled together, so I fixed it. Thank God I was born before earbuds. Simplified wiring. You might ask, what are those? I'll tell you. Most of it is AC. Cruise control, we cut that out. Fog lights, we deleted. Washer fluid level. And then touch anything ground related, and I don't recommend you guys do that as well. Radiator support is going on at this exact second. This is the paint code for Ascot Green. It's perfect. Good morning guys, today is the day. Yes, we're gonna drive the car today. I tucked these away. These are just for headlights, nothing else, nothing more. These are already connected, and you see the car, the rear of it is on the ground, the front of it is higher up. How you're supposed to bleed an E36, because the highest point on the cooling system right now is right here, meaning all the air bubbles gonna travel up to out of this bleed hole. The brake is not great. Woo.
And I'm back on my grind. A psychic ran my lifeline, told me in my life was skyline.
Test drive was great. Hold temps, nothing weird, nothing anything. Just the power steering making a lot of noises. That's it. Everything else was great. Alright, let's do the wiring. Loomed. This is the aux fan loomed, headlights loomed, passenger loomed. I just let my brother drive my car for the first time and he made it back, so that's nice. Either way, but this is sitting here, which I was really trying to go here, but I need to extend it if that's the case. These are the horns. I'm gonna tuck them away. These are headlights, aux fan going all the way. This is right here tucked up under here with these zip ties that a cover goes on it, so you can't really see. We got all these wires all loomed up, heat resistant, and this gonna go all the way in there so you don't even see the brown wires. Thanks for watching another video. I do want to encourage anyone who's watching this video, probably like 4 people, to challenge themselves to do something like this. I know this was extremely intimidating at first. However, looking back at it, I am so happy I did it. I learned so much from it. And honestly, it was not as bad as I had imagined it to be. And it was way cheaper than I had imagined it to be. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me on Instagram or ask any questions in the comments down below. As I've mentioned, these videos are 2 to 3 years old. So I already been driving the car for a few years. It's been great. Spoiler alert. So any questions, let me know. And I am posting once a week until I catch up with recent time videos, as I've been recording more videos, doing more things to this car. So if you can share this video, it will help me a ton, or drop a comment, it will also help me a ton. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.